Place a plank on the stair noses, spanning from post to post. Place the stair panel on the plank across the opening and adjust for plumb, ensuring equal distance from the center support to each post. Clamp the panel in place at this location. Assemble a stair mounting bracket. Hold the bracket angled end against the post face and in line with your stair panel, and mark the rail at these locations. Repeat this for all 4 rail ends. Be sure to label the top end of the top rail before removing it. These marks will be temporary. No cuts will be made here. Measure the distance between these marks and subtract 4 inches. Record this measurement for the rod cutting step. Add 7/8 inch toward the rail end or post to the marks previously made on the rail panel. The temporary mark previously made on the bottom rail at the top of the stairs will be where you will align the bottom mounting plate of the upright for the top of the stairs. Measure from this point to the end of the bottom rail. Use that measurement to measure from the end of the top rail at the top of the stairs that same amount and make a mark. This will be the mark used to attach the top bracket of the upright. Now, go to the mark made on the top rail at the bottom of the stairs. This mark will serve as the point to place the top mounting bracket for the upright at the bottom of the stairs. Measure from that mark to the end of the top rail. Use that measurement to measure from the end of the bottom rail at the bottom of the stairs and make a mark. This will be the alignment point for the bottom bracket for the upright. Rack panel back to 0 degrees or level. Remove the uprights from the panel. Remove the number 10 hex screws from the top and bottom of both uprights. And remove 1 upright. Take note of the orientation of the uprights, as they are made to hinge one way and will need to be reassembled later in the same orientation. Remove all horizontal rods from the panel and set aside. Remove the second upright. This will leave only the top and bottom rails connected to the hinge center support. Cut the top and bottom rails at your marks with a jigsaw or portable bandsaw. Cut the rods at the marks made previously with a jigsaw or portable bandsaw. Cut all rods to the length. Insert the cut panel ends into the stair brackets, ensuring all are properly oriented. Test the panel to ensure proper fit and mark the position of the bracket on all 4 posts. Once proper fit is ensured, remove the brackets from the rail. Paint all cut ends of the rails and rods. Lay the panel on a flat, clean surface and use the marks made earlier to align both uprights. Mark the holes for the upright attachment screws. And pre-drill the holes with a 5 32nd-inch drill bit. Reattach 1 upright with the number 10 hex screws that were removed earlier. Insert all rods through the mid-support and into the attached upright. Slide the second upright into place and insert all rods into it. Line the upright mounts up to the pre-drilled holes and reattach the upright. Separate the two bracket halves at all rail ends. Install the post half of each mounting bracket at the marks made, ensuring that all brackets are properly oriented. Attach the bracket halves to the rail ends. Ensure the screw attachment hole is facing down. Pre-drill with a 5/32 inch drill bit and attach with the included screws. Now, set the panel back into place and reattach the bracket halves. Assemble the two-piece post trim cover by inserting one fastener in each trim half. Snap these in place, concealing the post flange.